I'm back, another video. I'm gonna be showing y'all my setups. Well, I'm gonna be showing y'all what I would take if the market presents itself, right? Or what I would, you gonna see, right? I'm gonna explain y'all my setup. I'm gonna explain y'all what I do before it open. I'm gonna show y'all the things I want to see when I want to see happen. All right. So first, we're going to mark up our weekly open. Mark that up. Boom. Then second, we're going to mark up our liquidity, our London low, that blue, and then we're going to mark up our Asia's low. Make that right. So boom. And then we're gonna mark out our previous day's highs and previous day lows. So mark that out. Make that previous day high, and then mark this up. Previous day low. Then we walk down our time frames to see if we have any gaps. No gaps on a 4 hour, but we did come and tap this 4 hour, 1 hour, and then we do the same thing for US 30, right? Got a weekly's open gap, mark out our London low, Asia's low, and then we're going to mark out our previous day highs and previous day lows. Then we walk down our time frames. Do we have any gaps? Same thing happens. Okay, boom. We got this 4 hour gap right here. Boom. And now we just wait and see. What I would like to happen is we clear this previous day high and come back down and retrace into this gap right here, to the daily gap. That's what I would like to see. If we can get that, that's what I want, right? For the continuation to go higher. So I want this to happen back down, hit this gap, and then we continue higher. Right? That's what I want to see happen. Or option two is we come down here, clear these, and come back up and clear the high. Or we can just come straight down from right here, come straight down into this gap, and then continue to push higher. And for me to take them sales, I would like to see us close below these lows right here. Have a market structure shift on the 15 for me to take them sales. I want to see us come down here, break it, retest, and then continue. That's option 2. And the same thing for US 30. I mean, yeah, now US 30 we can, like we don't mind, we can pump, because the US 30 didn't go as high as Nas did last week. Even though we still didn't hit that 0.382, we could still just go higher for right now and come back down later, because we didn't have a strong impulse move like how Nas did. Nas is in all-time highs right now. Look at this. And we can't go linear for too long. You feel me? This is a straight line, straight green candles, bro. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 green candles. 10 green straight candles. So we need to see a red one in there. We need to see a red one in there. This should make no sense how bullish we is right now. And that's what we waiting on now. Let's see what the SP is, my SMT pair. So S&P is pumping right now. Nas pumping too. So if Nas can clear this high and SP don't, because it's looking like SP is lower than what Nas is right now. Yeah, Nas is right there at this high. So if he can clear this high, S&P don't clear this previous day high, that's SMT for the downside, because we showing weakness in the 500. And this could be the manipulation on the other pair, on Nas. It's fake showing us we strong bullish, but it's fraying to the side. We slowing down to where you going, right? So if S&P don't clear this high, we must be looking for sales. And now we just wait, man. We wait and see for the setup. It's all about patience. All about patience. Patience. Win trades. Patience. Sometimes we can lose trades, but we want patience. So we're gonna see, bro. I hope y'all weekend went well, man. Hope y'all ain't go crazy, spend too much money out on the weekend, you feel me? Hope y'all taking care of yourselves, man, mentally, physically, and spiritually, man. Make sure y'all take a step forward every day, man. Just one step forward into the goals you want to have. It's gonna be is you take one step forward every day, you're gonna get there faster than you expect. Sometimes we try to rush things and we end up taking a couple steps back. But all we had to do was just relax that one day and take a step forward. And don't try to rush things. And whatever God got planned for you, it's going to come. But you just gotta be patient with him, talk to him, and just have faith, man. Believe in yourself. Believe in the man above that he's going to get you where you want to be, or get you where he had you already going. You feel me? He the one who put that vision in your head. So you just gotta be patient with him. And be patient with yourself. Now we just waiting, man. Now we are just waiting. Let's see what other pair is doing. Oh, I also seen, yeah, I knew from go down. I like GJ for the sales. For sure, like GJ for the sales. And we broke structure up. We cleared this. This is like the perfect trade right here. Cleared this high. Market structure shift. It's a head and shoulders. Feel me? Boom, boom. We broke this neckline. And we're retesting it. Yeah, I like to go for one of threes. See if that hit. Look like it will hit though. This is hot, this is low. Oh yeah, for sure. That shit look amazing. I ain't gonna count, bitch. Oh yeah, look at that. That's why I love this setup, man. This setup has no box. You can do this setup on any pair, bro. Any pair you like. My setup can make it happen, dude. You can be consistent with this setup if you follow the rules and stay disciplined. I'm in this gold setup right now too as well. I'm trying to flip this small account. I got one entry right here off this 15-minute invert. Got one entry right here. Got another one right here. I got another one right here. And so far I'm up $500 right now. Trying to flip this 150 into whatever I can flip it to, man. But TP is to fill this gap right here. This is right here. This is where TP is. You right there. You are right there. Stops and break even though. Let me show y'all my entries. Charts. See, I got one down here, another one in this gap, like I said, and the last one right here in this gap, and TP right there. I'm going to speed up like this was that 150, 230. So that's 3, and this one is 370. So that's like 700. My account gonna be at like 850 if TP hits. If TP don't hit, I'm going to be up $184. So that's and I deal with that. Really, I can move it up, bro. But we shouldn't. If we come down back, if we come down right here, the GG's. So this is the new swing low. So if we come back down here, we have a market structure shift, and the market is gonna be bearish. So, all right, let's go back to Nas. Let's see what it's doing. It's 15 right here. Let's see what we do. Even though we ain't cleared no lows before coming up, I want us to clear some lows before I enter a buy or a sell. It's Monday too, so keep that in mind. Mondays usually are slow days and usually sets up for the week. So this could just be the setup for the trade tomorrow. So we're not gonna force nothing. We're gonna keep our account safe so we can trade for the next day. As long as we can trade tomorrow, man, check on gold. Okay, I like that. 15 close. The hourly need to close above this high. No good. Let's see if we can get the push up to clear that high now. What SP do? SP to clear that high too? No. SP is not down there. SP did not clear that 907 low. So we stronger on them. So this is the SMT right here too. We could for real buy right here. Let's see. I ain't gonna take it. I'm just gonna put this in my notes. You feel me? Put this in my notes and see what happens, bro. Take it up to this high. Right there. I'm not taking this. Again, I just want to see what happens so I can have more data on the strategy that I'm trying to build. And we did not come down there and clear that. So that's an SMT right there, a 1 minute SMT. Let's see what happens. We also just hit this gap too. And that's and see, that's why I ain't take this motherfucker. Stop loss probably nope. That motherfucker going down. A stronger confirmation would have been us inverting this 1 minute gap. That would be a stronger confirmation. Let's see something, bro. You gotta be watching anime, man. Let's see what's coming out today. While we wait for that setup, man, I'm gonna put you on a tough ass anime, man. If y'all have not already tuned in, bro, let me show y'all something real quick, dude. This right here, this motherfucker top tier, bro. This motherfucker top tier. Came out banging, bro. Came out banging first 2 episodes, bro. Shit going crazy, bro. Number 2, it's another one. This one tough too. Tough as hell. Tune in to those 2 animes, man, if y'all watching. And then comment down below and tell me how you like them. Let's get back to it, dude. Okay, we good. We can more push up. One more push up to the upside. Hate how TP be right there. And then this shit just come down. 30's just stalling, bro. We been right here 30 minutes. Ever since we had this one impulse move, nigga, we just been sitting right here, bro. There we go. These emotions niggas be going through, man. Been trading, bro. You gotta control them. Look at that. That shit crazy. This might be just a day where we take no trades. No cap. And just leave my gold trade running. It's only pair, bro. And we might just consolidate until this hourly ends, and then we create an hourly gap, and then come back down in the afternoon session, use it as support, or we can just come down to this 15, reject it. I want this one though, not that one. If we can get this one, that'll be perfect. But I traded till 11 o'clock. So if I don't see nothing by 11, I'm hopping off. Depending on how this 15 close on gold, I'm exit out them trades. And then hit my entry though. So that's why we be patient, man. On a closure. That's why we wait for closes. Because if I would have just closed off impulse, off emotion, I'd have been mad. A minute later, look at this. A minute later, we came all the way back up. Stop loss up right here, because I don't want to come back down here. If you come back down here, GG. So now this is my stop loss right here. I should not come back down there. After that 15, I would have that 15 close, we shouldn't come back down there. Shouldn't come back down there at all. This was a smooth buy though. It just ain't hit my entry, bro. I wanted this at least a 0.382 tap. I don't know what the fuck Nas doing, bro. I'm not fucking with Nas either. Perfect timing. Yeah, and this might be my only trade for today, man. It seemed like nothing happened. I want to explain y'all why I took this trade though. Took this buy. Remember how I said in the beginning, if we create an opening gap, if we create a gap like this in the market, this gap right here, if we create a gap, we most likely gonna fill it. You feel me? And I was in the market open down here because we didn't fill this gap from last week. Filled that gap and it reversed. And we also cleared these highs and respected it, right? So went on a lower time frame, seeing that we had this 15-minute gap, seeing that we closed above the 50, came once we closed, wait for another candle, wait for it to retest that 50, and then I entered longs, like right there, a nice ass entry right there. And I'm targeting the fill of this gap, right? So boom, stop loss was actually, it was like right here. So I went at 150, man, you gotta go in, all in, or your first trade gotta be a banger, you feel me? So full, I went in right here, TP this. Then each time we came back down and retraced, see how we retraced? We retraced, came back down, 0.382. This was my second entry, right at this 0.382. Stop loss right here at this 15. And I'm also break even down here, right? So boom. And then same target. Boom. And then the third entry. Boom. Closing that gap at 0.382. Entered probably like right there. And now this is at break even. So those are my 3 entries, man. Rode the wave up until TP, bro. Now we waiting for this one last push up and we good. Like it really could be done for today. Each time we retrace, got in. Each time we retrace, got in. So one more time. Seeing that we had an unfilled gap from last week, it opened down here to fill that gap. On lower time frame, seeing that we inverted this gap. Once we close above the 50%, wait for the retest of the 50, got a retracement, entered, boom, another retracement, entered, boom. Now we're just waiting. TP likes gonna get hit now. We are going to see if it hits TP though. It ain't hit it yet. Can't get too happy until the job done. The job not done, you can't get excited, man. You cannot get excited if the job not done. And I like how silver going up too. We're head and shoulders. Oh my god. I could enter this too, but I ain't gonna be too greedy, bro. I ain't gonna be too greedy. Look how we closed and respected that down at 800 right now. It's gonna be at like 850 when TP hit. Let's see how far I can get this account in 2 weeks, bro. By the end of this, let's see if I can be disciplined, patient. I can't take this account. Shit's so ugly, bro. If 30 can get down here, bro, and clear this low, this might be the buy, but it gotta do it before 11. If it don't do it before 11, I'm not entering. I thought we're coming back down. We're coming back up a little bit. This minute's still not over yet. I don't like how the 15 is like a wick. I wanted to close it right up, like at least right here. Stop loss for sure again. Move it up though. Move it up to right here. Come back down right here, bro. I don't want it. I do not want it. Look at that shit. Because why we coming back down so aggressive? Need that TP, nigga. Man, can I move? I forgot to introduce all the way down there, bro. Gotta be patient with this. Like, I'm fighting an urge to get out this motherfucker, bro. I'm fighting it. Let's hope this 5 minute can goddamn Give us the push we need. That is not what I want to see. The stop loss right here. It's either don't stop me out with a TP. Still crazy flip. If this shit ain't one I got down. Give me no love today. It ain't wanna give me no love. Well, we up 600 though. Still good ass flip. Look at that shit falling. Yeah, we good for today. Came back down. Look at it. Did what I wanted to do. Should we take it? Close this shit early because this shit like it's doing. It don't wanna. Like I need to close above this 15. Okay, there we go. If it close above this 50%, we good. And it came all the way back up, gang. That's crazy. It's a 1 minute candle. By the way, 1 minute candle. That's crazy. Like overly crazy, bro. I'm done for today though. Hope y'all stay safe, be productive, keep y'all account, stay disciplined, stay patient, stay prayed up. And that's it, man. Thank y'all for watching. If you like what you seen, comment down below, give it subscribe, like, you know, all the free shit. You feel me? It's free. You feel me? But other than that, man, I'm out. Deuces.